y'all, so you guys know that I love to share different things on my channel. Now this particular item that I'm going to share was sent to me by a company called Lavievert. Now this is just a cosmetic, I shouldn't say just, it's pretty fabulous, but it's a cosmetic travel bag. Now I am a crocheter, and usually when I do things I always have some type of crocheting in mind, right? So when they asked me to review this bag on my channel, I was like, sure, I'll show it to my subscribers, but I want to show it to you in the way that I utilize it. So this bag has a little strap. If you are traveling, you can put it on your suitcase, and it's also a waterproof bag, which I think is great because the way I use it, it's perfect. So let's get into details really quickly about the bag. It has 3 components. It has a zipper in the front and around the center portion of the bag, and then there's these little section areas that I'm sure are meant for like your deodorant, your cosmetics, your perfumes. There's area up there for probably makeup brushes, and then there's this little area where it has the mesh zipper pouch. Okay, and there's also this detachable area, detachable bag, so it's just secured with buttons. And then it has this really deep, wide center area that also is probably perfect for washcloths and things of that nature. So I think overall this is a cosmetic bag. It is absolutely perfect. But me, the way I'm going to use it, it's like so many other bags that I have. This is going to be my traveling crochet bag. So I always have a composition notebook. That's where I write my patterns down, my ideals in there. You can put scissors. Of course, you can have a pen in there if you need it. I have stitch markers that I'm going to throw in there. And I love the fact that that's mesh and see-through. Then in the back here, you can also put your crochet hooks. They're the little areas that you're probably designed for makeup brushes. Perfect for my crochet hooks. My little travel tape measure that I sometimes have. I put 2 skeins of yarn in there, you guys. I don't know about you, but when I go to do traveling, I think I'm going to create every project known to me while I'm on the road. So I was able to put 3 actually skeins of yarn, but there I'm just showing you 2. And then if you're working on a project, this little detachable thing is super cool. This detachable bag. You can put the project that you're working in this detachable section and then take it with you on the go. So while I'm sure the company would have loved for me to talk about how great this cosmetic bag is as for cosmetics, and it is, but I find it even more useful for me for all of my crochet needs. So anyway, I want to share this with you. The company was super gracious to give me a 15% off discount code for the people that wanted to purchase it. I will put a link in the description box down below just if you're interested in it. And I'm pretty sure the code is good for about 30 days, just depending on when I post the video. But nevertheless, while this might just be a cosmetic bag to some, I truly feel everything can have more than one purpose. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.